নমস্কাৰ ক্লাছ 10ৰ বিষয় ইংৰাজী প্ৰথম অধ্যায় এ লেটাৰ টু গডৰ বিষয়ে আজি আলোচনা কৰিম। ইয়াৰ কিছুমান কুৱেশ্যন হাতে লিখা আপোনালোকে চাব বুলি আশা ৰাখিলোঁ। এ লেটাৰ টু গড oral comprehension check. Question number 1. What did Lenzo hope for? Answer. Lenzo hoped for getting good rain from the sky for his cornfield. 2 number. Why did Lenzo say the raindrops were like new coins? Answer. Lenzo said the raindrops were like new coins because the raindrops were caused good harvest. His field needed a downpour, then he would get a rich crop from his field. Besides this, the raindrops had brightness like new coins. 3 number. How did the rain change? What happened to the Lenzo field? Answer. The rain changed into very large hailstorm. Suddenly the entire valley was covered with the hailstone. Lenzo's field was white as if covered with salt. His field was totally destroyed by the hailstorm. মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল বন্ধুবৰ্গসকল তোমালোকে স্ক্ৰীনশ্বট মাৰি এইখিনি নিজৰ সুবিধা মতে লিখি ল'বা। গোটেইখিনি হাতে লিখা, কোনোবা ছাৰে লিখি দিছে এইখিনি মই আপোনালোকক কালেক্ট কৰি কৈ দি আছোঁ। 4 নম্বৰ. What were Lenzo feeling the hailstorms? Answer. When the hail stopped, Lenzo's soul was filled with sadness. He very much troubled. The hail had totally destroyed of his crop. Lenzo said, the hail has left nothing this year. We will have no corn. We will all go hungry this year. 5 number. Who or what did Lenzo have faith in? What did he do? Answer. Lenzo had deep faith in God. He believed that God would help all of us. No one would die for the hungry as God sees everything. He shaking 100 pesos in order to sow his field again and to live until the crop comes. 6 number. Who read the letter? Answer. The postmaster of the post office read letter. 7 number. What did the postmaster do then? Answer. The postmaster broke out into laughter on the saying the deep faith in God. He collected the money from his employees, friends, and he also gave a part of his salary. He put all the money in an envelope and sent it to Lanso by writing a single words God as a signature. 8 number. Was Lanso surprised to find a letter for him with money in it? Uttar. No, Lanso was not surprised to find a letter for him with money in it because he had deep faith in God. (2016) প্ৰশ্নটো আহিছিলে What made him angry? Answer. When Lanso counted the money, he became angry because the money was less than he asked for. He had deep faith in God, and God could neither make the mistake nor could deny what he had requested. He counted that the post office employees had stolen his money, so he was angry and collect. They are said thinking about the So he was angry and collect. They are said thinking about the textৰ পৰা আছে ভিডিওখন বহুত দীঘল হ'ব 1 Why does the postmaster send money to Lanso? Why he signed? Answer. The postmaster is a kind-hearted, friendly and amiable person. In order not to shake Lanso's faith in God, so he himself collects the money and sends it to Lanso. The postmaster signed the letter God because he will think that the money is sent to him by God and to keep deep faith in God. 2 number. Who does Lanso have the complete faith in? Answer. Lanso has completed faith in God. 3 number. Did Lanso try to find out who had sent the money to him? Why not? Answer. No, Lanso did not try to find out who had sent the money to him because he had deep faith in God. He thought that the money was sent to him by God and no other could do such an act. 4 number. Who does Lanso think has taken the rest of the money? Answer. Lanso thinks that the rest of the money has been taken by the post office employees. He has deep faith in God and God cannot send to him less money what he has asked for. 5 number. What is the irony in the situation? Discuss through the lesson. Answer. They are the post office people who have sent the money to Lanso. On the contrary, বিরুদ্ধ, they are the convicted of the stealing the money. He calls them crooks. So there is an element of the irony in this situation. 6 number, are these people like the Lansos in the real world? What kind of the person would you say he is? Answer: in the real world, one can find many people like the Lanso. In the real sense, he is a simple hearted person. He is quite ignore of the external world. He has a deep faith in God, like an innocent person. He believes in his world, and he is a hard working farmer. After all, he is an unseen, uncuse haunt worshipper of God. So so we can say him a knave and an unquestioning person. Describe the conflict between the human and the nature. Answer: the conflict between the human and nature can be illustrated as Lanso needs water for his cornfield. He waits for the rain to come. Futures for Fortunately, the the rain starts falling along with the hailstones. The hailstones hailed heavily fall for an hour, and his cornfield totally destroyed. He is very upset. This is a conflict between the human and the nature. 8 number, described the conflicts between the human and themselves. Answer: the conflict between the human and themselves can be illustrated as Lanso writer letter to God after completed destructions of his cornfield, when the postmaster opened the letter as it is the address to God, he collects the money and sends it to Lanso. On receiving the 70 pesos money, Lanso gets angry. He thinks that the post office employees have taken some of his money. This is a conflict between the human and themselves. ইয়াৰ এডিশ্যনেল কিছুমান কুৱেশ্যন আছে, তোমালোকক মই দেখাই দি আছোঁ, তোমালোকে স্ক্ৰীনশ্বট মাৰি লিখি ল'বা। এই গোটেইখিনি ক্লাছ টিচাৰৰ নোটছ, তোমালোকৰ ভৱিষ্যতত উপকৃত হ'ব বুলি মই আশা ৰাখিলোঁ। তোমালোকৰ সুবিধা অনুযায়ী স্ক্ৰীনশ্বট মাৰি লিখি ল'বা। ইয়াৰ পৰা তোমালোকে স্ক্ৰীনশ্বট মাৰিবা, মাৰি লিখি ল'বা। গোটেইখিনি এডিশ্যনেল কুৱেশ্যন। বহুত আছে ভিডিওখন বহুত দীঘল হ'ব স্ক্রিনশট মারি লিখি লবা মুখেৰে কৈ দিলে বহুত দীঘল হ'ব যাৰ কাৰণে এনেকৈ দি আছো তোমালোকে স্ক্রিনশট মাৰি আৰামছে বহি লিখি লবা আৰু এনেকুৱা সকলো লেসনৰ নোটস কৰা আছে যদি তোমালোকৰ লাগে কমেন্ট বক্সত জনাবা চেনেলখন সাবস্ক্রাইব কৰি লবা